I say, I thank God for the journey. The earnings are just for the plus. I try to keep that in my heart and use it as a driving force. Always be thankful and stay focused on the road of life. I tend to write from my heart things that are true to me. Stick to what are my roots.
Princess of reggae music, let me hear you make some noise for Koffee!
Koffee is being dubbed the princess of reggae music, as she made Jamaicans home and abroad proud yesterday after receiving her Grammy Award. Fellow entertainers and fans alike all expressed excitement at this win. Entertainers such as Queen Ifrica and Tony Rebel had a lot to say. I'm going to show you the video. But before then, if this is your very first time to this channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. Let's listen to what Tony Rebel and Queen Ifrica has to say.
On behalf of
Bryant, turn on the camera.
Blessed Love, on behalf of the reggae industry, musicians and artists, I want to be first to say congrats to you, Koffee girl, for winning the Grammys. Big up yourself, you hear that?
So may I say on a day when we get some sadness, you bring happiness to us by winning the Grammy. So on behalf of all of us who are here, we are in Martinique and ready to salute. Congratulations, Koffee!
Bob, that was sick.
Now it was a bittersweet moment for Koffee herself, as it was during a live stream on Instagram when she was heading to the Grammys that her herself found out that basketball superstar and legend Kobe Bryant had lost his life during a fatal accident. Now, fellow entertainers and basketballers spoke out about this. Empress Golden TV personality has this to say.
Lord Jamaica, I'm sitting here listening to the news of basketball legend Kobe Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter Gigi was really in the helicopter crash. And then I'm sitting here with my daughter, I'm like, what would that last moment be like? Like, oh my Lord, this is such a sad day in history. And the others, who are they? The others who were in the helicopter, I know their families must be distraught. And as much as I know he was such a legend and his daughter Gigi, let's not forget the others who were in the plane as well, and their families who are there and distraught. I can't imagine what it's like as I sit here with my daughter and my son. It just reminds me that you never know when your number's going to be called. And it's so important that we spend time with our family and our children. Gosh, this is such a sad moment. I mean, every day is a sad moment. When we hear of a loss of somebody, recently in Jamaica, the 8-year-old boy that was murdered, the pregnant woman that was found, like, it's so many people, I think, just are taken too early in life. And death is, and loss is something that we all have to grapple with, and it's not easy. I don't know what to say. It's a really sad moment today, and I just don't want to leave my children's side today. I love you, Chris. Kobe Bryant's wife and the other kids are gonna have a rough time, and all the others that were killed, who are they? How are their families? You just never know when your number's gonna be called.
And to answer Empress Golding's question, who were the other victims of this tragic crash? There were actually 9.
Kobe Bryant, his 13-year-old daughter Gianna Bryant, John Altabelli, his wife Kerry and daughter Alyssa, Christina Massa, Sarah Chester and her daughter Peyton Chester, and the pilot of the aircraft, Ara Zobayan.
May their souls rest in peace. Fellow basketballer Dwayne Wade had a few passionate words to express as well. Let's take a listen.
Today is one of the saddest days in my lifetime. It seems like a bad dream that you just want to wake up from. It's a nightmare. I know we all feel the same way about such a great leader, just a great champion, a great person. If you got a chance to know Kobe, you got a chance to really know Kobe, there ain't nobody better, man. Emotions are all over the place. These are the moments when you ask why. My heart, thoughts goes out to Kobe's family, his daughter Gigi. This is a sad day. There's no way around it. My family and I have been sharing Kobe's stories. We have so many moments that he's given us. We're so thankful for those moments. I'm thankful for those moments, man. This is one of my favorite players. And I got a chance to have a relationship, a friendship. But I would miss him. I would miss the friendship. I said it many times. When Kobe retired from the game of basketball, he left a hole in the game of basketball. He left a hole in my wanting to play. Because when I came in the league, I chased him. That's who I chased. I wanted to be respected by him. And once I reached that level, I knew I did something. So, Kobe, thank you, man. Thank you for all the memories. Dude, we got a lot of good ones. And these tears that we're crying, we're going to miss you. And it's not going to go. It's not leaving today, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now. We will forever miss you, man. You're our legend. You're our icon. You're our father. You're a husband. Your son, your brother. Your friend. Your friend. Thank you for being my friend. I love you, brother.
Celebrity actor known as Ghost from the series Power also had a few sentimental words to share.
I just got up from the seat where we were eating or about to eat. My tribe and I, after having come from church, interesting day in church because the kids, Nova and Brave, seemed to be squeezing onto me in ways that they hadn't in the past when we were in church, and maybe they felt something, you know, not just out of the mouths of babes, but from the spirits of babes. The kids know. I just feel really upset, as confused as many of you are. I feel like it's tough being a part of the peer group that Kobe was in and Nipsey was in, and as we celebrate him tonight, and Kobe does his ultimate flight on this Sunday. It's crazy to me. His kids. So if anybody needs, I guess, somewhat of an encouraging word or whatnot, kind of speechless, but I just felt like it's incumbent upon me and others like me to give the same word that Kobe would give right now, some sort of victorious word. And ironically, as a private plane flies over here right now, all I can give in word is just give them roses, man, while people are still next to you. I always thank God that I'm somebody not afraid to. Ironically, I was going to leave a video this week, but it was going to be directed to the fans, those that feel upset about this show that I was able to be a part of for 6.5 seasons, and them being very disappointed as to how it ended. But ironically, it ended in a way that is equally as fictional as the character was fictional, that I was, I guess, gifted enough to bring to life with the aid of Courtney Kemp and Curtis 50 Cent Jackson and stars, and the writers' room and everybody that Courtney had hired, my castmates, the crew. But it's fictional, you know, and Ghost didn't really die because Ghost never really existed. But if there's elements of him inside of me and me inside of him, that's what it is. It's part of my gift, part of my crossover, part of my fadeaway jump shot, my drive to the hole, my ability to score on a football field, my ability to intercept balls on a football field, all those things that I actually did. It's not an actual reality that goes past, but it's an actual reality, obviously, that actual human being who God put on this earth for so much more than just dribbling a basketball and being as dynamic and as gifted at it as he was, and his beautiful tribe. And God bless you, Vanessa, man. So just say you love each other to each other. If anybody out there is listening and wanting these levels of confusion to not fade away, but to at least subside so you can make it through the rest of your day, night, week, month, next decade, next 20 years. It's very upsetting. God bless you, Bryant family, and anybody else close to the Bryant family. God bless your mom, Kobe, your pops. God bless your soul, homie. You're as special as they come, bro. I'm gonna go back and rejoin my tribe now. Peace.
Well, there you have it, viewers. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Talk to me down in the comment section. Share your views, your thoughts on this topic. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.